Hi everyone and mabuhay sa inyong lahat. Today we will be doing a DIY cardigan out of my scrap yarn. What you guys will be seeing in front of you are all of the yarn that I have left over from my previous projects. Ayoko naman silang itapon kaya this is what I used it for. What I did was I arranged them all, I fixed them all up, and then I placed it in a rainbow order formation type of thing. And I'm super proud of it because it looks so pretty and organized. Don't worry if you guys think it's hard because this is super beginner friendly. Right now, I'm just taking my 5mm crochet hook and starting off with a slip knot. If you guys still do not know how to do a basic granny square, I have instructions on the upper left side corner of my video and also a link to a clearer and slower YouTube tutorial on how to do a granny square down in my description box. So be sure to check it out if you guys need a little bit more help. Right now what I'm doing is just doing 3 double crochets and then chaining 3. So for the foundation, what you need to do is do 4 sets of 3 double crochets and 4 sets of 3 chains. And this will result into a tiny itty bitty square. And that's what we are going for. That is your foundation. So I will be showing you what it looks like in a minute, but the second row is kind of complicated. So what's gonna happen in the second row is, since it's full of corners, you will need to do 2 sets of 3 double crochets and a chain in between them for every corner. So that's what you do for every corner, like even in the third row and the fourth row. If there is a corner, always do 2 sets of 3 double crochets, and then if it's not a corner, just do 1 set of 3 double crochets. So that's basically how you do a granny square. As it gets bigger, it should be looking like this. My square was 41 by 41 inches. So to do the sleeves, you have to connect the 2 corners together like so, and then sew them together. Now I sewed 5 chain spaces just because I didn't want the sleeve to be super droopy and to be super tight on my wrist, which is why I thought that 5 spaces to sew was perfect for me. But it's up to you guys on how many chain spaces you want to sew. And if you want to add more sleeves, then go ahead, be my guest. And if you guys want to send me recreations, please do. My social media handles are in the description box down below as well. I hope you guys had fun in this project and in this DIY. And please be sure to click the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification bell just so that you guys are notified whenever I post a new video. Anyway, also if you guys want rather me to show outfits in which you can style this cardigan with, please also comment it down in the description box because I would love to show you guys how to style it. Anyway, I had so much fun and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!